Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your TCL Roku TV supports Bluetooth. Many models use Roku OS and have audio pairing. Once done, put your headphones or speaker into pairing mode and keep it close to the TV. Next, press Home, navigate to Settings, then Remotes and Devices, and select Pair New Device. This starts scanning. Make sure the TV and accessory remain awake. If one sleeps, you'll interrupt pairing. You're now ready to let the TV discover the accessory and proceed to connect it. Once the TV shows available accessories, you select the matching device name. This is where attention matters because similar names can confuse you. If a PIN appears, enter it on the accessory or confirm it on screen. Most headphones won't need one. After you accept, the TV will pair and may run a quick connection test, so listen for audio or check the volume icon. Make sure to set the TV audio output to the paired device if sound doesn't switch automatically. To finalize, verify the paired device is selected in Settings Audio Output. You want consistent sound routing. If audio drops or pairing fails, power cycle both TV and accessory, then repeat pairing. This clears transient errors. If problems persist, move the accessory closer and eliminate interference from Wi-Fi routers or microwave ovens. As a last resort, remove the device from saved accessories and pair again. These steps fix most issues and get you back to listening quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.